Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today is kind of a weird video I was supposed to do. It's not weird, but you see this couple of bird seeds right here? I am going to eat some of them. This is weirdly close to me. Well, I'm not going to eat them. I'm just going to feed the birds it for this might be a normal video. I can't tell if it's going to be a normal video. And my mom is going to kill me. So, I got the bird things. Just like I said in my last video, I would feed my birds, and I said the water is disgusting, because it really is. Well, I didn't upload that video yet. It's still uploading. Yeah, I already recorded it. I want it to be flat. Like flat. Yeah, like perfectly flat. I thought it fell. Now let's just give this to the birds. Now I'm just going to get a glass of water so I can pour. Look how disgusting that is. Okay, I'm going to get a glass of water in 3, 2, 1. So I got a glass of water, but even Snowy's eating. That is the funniest thing ever. Look like they're eating. Snowy, get out of the way. Wild and you want to eat. Snowy, this is going to be a little hard for you to turn. Is it going to be hard? So, yeah, this is not YouTube channel, actually. So, oh, his tail is sticking out. Touch tail. Touch tail. Oh! I love you, Snowy. I want to touch his tail. It's going to be a little uncomfortable, but touch tail. Touch tail. Oh, my God. I'm going to take out this water thing. Wait a second. It's not a little hard. I poured all the water out of there. Now I need a tissue. Gosh, why is there a feather? Ew! I'm gonna get a glass of, not a glass. I'm gonna get a napkin. Got a napkin, guys. That was not my finger. That was like the stand. So I got napkins. Lots of napkins. Here is the bird. Ew. That is a disgusting bird bowl. Who would want to drink out of this bowl? Because if you don't like it, subscribe or else. Wait, actually, let's just keep, my tablet there for now. Because, it's really hard to clean this bowl without holding, with holding thing in one hand. Yeah. Cotton's eating. So I got a fresh glass of water, and we're going to pour that inside of the glass. It sounds a little weird. Is that a piece of hair? No, that's a feather. That is like the smallest feather. No, that's not a feather. That's something recycled. Let's just get it. Ow! Ow, that hurt. Let's just keep pouring the water. This sounds a little weird. Me pouring water. I think this is all. So let's just... Wait a second. Sorry, I thought my mom was going to come in. So, anyways, let's just put this in. This is like the highest streak I have ever done without spilling anything. I close that. I'm not gonna close that. They are so cute. I'm just gonna hide the cup and the towels over here. I love you, bird. Snowy, say like and subscribe. I love you so much, Snowy. Make sure to ice those sounds. Okay? Love ya. No, guys, actually like and subscribe or else those biscuits over there, I want them.